Hi, I'm Bill Moss with Foster Fuels. We're here today at an off-grid homestead in Central Virginia where we'll be talking about how you can use propane as a practical, cost-effective energy source for a remote homestead. Whether you're thinking about adding 1 or 2 propane appliances like a range or dryer, or going fully off-grid, we'll cover why propane is the perfect fuel source for a safe, efficient, and affordable off-grid lifestyle. From its versatility to the advanced safety features, propane is one of the most secure and convenient options available for modern off-grid living. Let's get into it. I can't believe from last year, transposed from nothing almost to what we have today. And I was here last year, we were, hooking you up with your propane. And we'll talk about that here in a little while. But Brian, tell us what has happened and what have you done to make this such an awesome off-grid homestead?
Yeah, well, thank you for coming back after a year. A lot's happened. Mainly when we started this project a year ago, when we bought the house, this house was completely off-grid and completely without any systems. So we had to really think quick and get something up and going. And being the age that it is, this house is nearly 240 years old.
Wow.
Everything was a challenge. So some of the systems, as far as putting into place was going to be power, water, and fuel. So that's where Foster's came in, was propane and the fuel that was provided.
When it comes to deciding how to live off-grid, cost is one of the most important factors. Solar power has a significant upfront cost, sometimes soaring into the tens of thousands of dollars, not to mention the expensive batteries you'll need if you want any of your appliances to work after the sun goes down. Propane appliances like ranges, water heaters, and refrigerators can run directly off the propane. When it comes to living self-sufficiently off the grid, nothing's more important than reliability, and propane is one of the most reliable fuels out there. As you can tell, we're off the grid today. While other energy sources can be affected by weather or even the time of day, propane is always ready right where you are because it's stored on site. It's perfect for emergencies, staying resilient when the power grid or natural gas lines have interruptions. Storing propane is straightforward. Just acquire a tank from a company like Foster Fuels, of course, and we will install it in a safe place. Propane has an indefinite shelf life that makes it a perfect solution for backup, emergency, and off-grid power. And unlike fully electrical appliances that need lots of electricity all the time, propane appliances use fuel right when you need it and stop when they don't, saving money and reducing emissions. Propane can safely and quietly power individual appliances inside your home, making it an easy choice for anyone who appreciates their peace and quiet, all while producing far fewer emissions than other fuel types. Plus, as a low-carbon, green energy source, propane is safe enough to burn inside your home when you're using an appliance rated for indoor use. This off-grid homestead uses propane from Foster Fuels to power many appliances, including a heater, clothes dryer, outdoor grill, refrigerator, range, and a tankless water heater that ensures continuous hot water. One of the best parts of choosing propane to power your off-grid setup is its efficiency and versatility. Propane appliances provide more output per unit of fuel by converting fuel directly into energy within the appliance without producing excess heat. Compared to other off-grid energy sources, propane systems are very safe and low maintenance. And when you order your propane from Foster Fuels, one of their expert technicians will perform a safety and performance check on your propane system. Propane is one of the safest fuel choices available on the market today. Propane tanks are designed to an extremely high standard of safety with numerous built-in and redundant safety features that give you peace of mind, knowing that your propane setup will be just as safe as it is reliable and practical. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.